To add a cleaning fee on Booking.com, you need to follow a series of steps. First, log into your Booking.com extranet account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Rates and Availability section, where you can manage your pricing and fees. In the Rates and Availability section, click on the room type you want to add the cleaning fee to. You will see a list of available options, including the rate, occupancy, and other settings. Look for the Additional Fees section, where you can add extra charges to your room rate. To add a cleaning fee, click on the Add New Fee button and select Cleaning Fee from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount of the fee and choose whether it is a one-time fee or a fee per night. You can also add a description of the fee to explain what it covers. After adding the cleaning fee, make sure to save your changes and review your updated rates and fees. It is essential to keep your fees competitive and transparent to avoid any confusion or disputes with your guests. Best practices for adding a cleaning fee on Booking.com include being clear and upfront about the fee, ensuring it is reasonable and competitive, and providing a detailed description of what the fee covers. You should also make sure to update your fees regularly to reflect any changes in your cleaning costs or services. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add a cleaning fee on Booking.com and ensure that your guests are aware of the extra charge. This will help you to manage your cleaning costs and provide a better experience for your guests.